Welcome, aspiring mocktail mixologists, to my Mixology channel. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe now and click that bell icon so that you won't miss any liquid magic that comes in your way. For today, guys, we will be saying, may God bless us all and blessed Sunday to you. And this video, we would be presenting not just new flavored mocktails, but this would be focusing on a main ingredient that we will do in 3 different recipes and ways. So we will be highlighting the main flavor of our mocktail, the Lavender Mocktail series. Are you ready, guys, by highlighting this lavender syrup that is also made with real lavender extract and its flowers? It's not just any sugar syrup. So our first lavender mocktail is titled The Rainy Days of My Lavender. Let's do this right now. Here are the ingredients to make our first lavender mocktail. And if you want the full recipe, it is located down the video in the description down below. The following ingredients are fresh mint, fresh ginger slices, less sweetened calamansi syrup. Please reserve some for garnish later. Next is Sprite or soda water. And the last one is MONIN lavender syrup, the most important. Why I chose calamansi than lemon? Because first of all, I want to showcase calamansi as an Asian fruit and best produce in Asia. Second to that, because I'm Asian. Third of all, calamansi has that distinct and most unique flavor when it comes to its sourness, fruitiness, and citrusy level. The first step is to use our main ingredient, the lavender MONIN syrup. Add that lavender syrup into the shaker. The next step is to add calamansi syrup because we want that beautiful, zingy, and refreshing taste. The next step is to muddle 2 fresh ginger slices because we want that aromatic and subtle spice notes. But we have to reserve 1 fresh slice of ginger for garnish later. The next step is to use our beautiful fresh mint. Look at that vibrant, beautiful green color, and it smells so good. Add lots of mint because I want that refreshing, minty, and herbaceous flavor. And in the same way that we want its flavor, we have to muddle it again. The next step is to add ice because we want all the flavors to be well combined and chilled. Then let's shake it. Ta-da! We're done shaking it. The next step is to assemble our mocktail. Disassemble the mocktail shaker and double strain its juices when pouring it into the glass. Never use the ice from the mocktail shaker because it has already been melted and deconstructed. Then we will add another amount of lavender syrup. Use a bar spoon to combine every flavor in the glass. Add more mint leaves to the glass and gently crush it so that it releases more of its flavor. We also want to show that we have used fresh mint leaves in our mocktail. The next step is to add fresh calamansi fruit for added flavor and showcase that we use actual fruits. The next step is to add a little bit of Sprite so that when we mix the rest of it, it will be easily combined. Stir it again by using the bar spoon. The next step is to add lots of ice until it fills up the glass.
Wanna come a little closer?
And then top up with a little bit of Sprite. Then let's garnish it with our last slice of ginger. Then fill the glass with the rest of the Sprite. Using a bar spoon, stir everything. For a beautiful visual presentation on the glass, add calamansi fruit. Pour the lavender syrup over the back of the bar spoon so that it immediately goes down and not float on top. Stir everything again so that the flavors are well combined. Make sure that while you are stirring, you are fixing and organizing the layers of fresh ingredients inside the glass to make it visually appealing. It's time to garnish, Mixologist. So before you put that mint leaves on top, you smack it to release its fragrance. The last step is to garnish it with that beautiful, freshly sliced calamansi fruit. And there you have it. I present to you the rainy days of my lavender. And let's turn up the music.